Welcome back to Drew Tutorials, and in this video I'll show you how to add B-roll or a secondary footage in edits. B-roll makes your video look professional. It's the extra footage that supports your main story. So in edits, here's how you'll do it. Import your main talking clip or your main footage onto the timeline. Next, you'll tap Add Overlay to add a video. Now the overlay video appears as a small window over the main footage. From here, select now the B-roll footage, maybe make it a close-up, crop or reposition it to fit an empty space. Here I'm going to duplicate it and drag it down to the bottom to fill the other empty space, and to make sure that the clips are aligned accordingly to cover the sections above and below the main clip. You can adjust opacity or use transitions for smoother blending. B-rolls keep your viewers visually engaged, and it turns a static video into something cinematic. So have fun creating edits. It's that easy and simple.